Here I am in front of these doors. I'm doing a whitewash or a white glaze over these antique doors. I've already sanded them down and cleaned them with like a micro cloth. This door has been done. We may add more to it. I will also add wax, I think, at the end, like a soft wax. So it's 4 parts glaze, which you can buy in the paint store, and 1 part paint is what we decided on. You can adjust that as you want it more transparent, you add more glaze, and if you want it thicker, more latex paint. This is Sherwin Williams Pure White mixed with glaze. 4 parts glaze, 1 part paint. And I just am going to go in here. It's very easy. I have 2 brushes. Here I have it in my Italian coffee can. I mixed up my thing and my concoction. And I'm just going to brush it on. It's very easy. The key to glazing is to not let it drip. So you kind of go over it again and again. And you want to get it into all the cracks of the wood over the whole surface so that you don't see a sheen, a difference in the sheen. But basically there's nothing to say except I follow the grain when I'm painting and I make sure it's not dripping and I fill in every little area. And then if you want, like that area is really orange and I'm trying to tone it down, get rid of the orange color, brown of the wood. So if you want to go over it twice or let it dry and go over the dark areas more. And I smooth out the brush stroke. I don't want to see too much brush stroke. Okay, here I am up on a little ladder doing the very last of the glazing here. I'm going to go in with my little brush because it's easy on these moldings. And then we're going to decide if we're going to wax it or not. And I will go in one more time. I'll go in one more time for like check to see if there's any little bits blaring out that don't look blended, like there. And the key on this job was to fill with glaze every little nail hole, nick, crack, so that it doesn't look like you just didn't finish painting it. So that it's really like glazing into the whole surface. Good evening. Here I am, Napa Valley, in front of this old European door that I've glazed now. I've also put some wax on it and buffed it. What I did was use soft wax, which looks like that. And I just put it on with a cloth. This is a old piece of soft cotton jeans, I think it is. And I just wiped it on like this. And then I waited 20 minutes, half hour, and I go in with a soft cloth. This is a cotton t-shirt. And I just rub over it. You can use wool, but then you don't want to get the little, you don't want to get the little hairs in it. So it has to be a cloth that's not going to be coming off on the door and sticking into the wax. And so then I just do this. It makes it really smooth. I did end up sanding a little bit. The client wanted it sanded a little on the top here. I'll show you for a close-up. Take you in for a close-up. Now we're getting evening light. So there you can see the sanding. All the way up. It's probably kind of hard to see.